Imagine an AI that turns clicks into loyal customers. Automatically. Sounds like magic, right? But it's real, and it's changing marketing forever. Picture this. A shopper clicks an ad. Instantly, AI predicts what they want next. Personalized emails? Check. Tailored social media ads? Check. Even dynamic pricing? Just for them. This isn't just automation, it's a marketing brain running 24/7. And here's the twist. AI doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. It learns from millions of interactions, predicting behavior before you even understand it yourself. Think about the hours saved, the wasted ads avoided, the customers actually gained. It's like having a marketing team that never sleeps, makes zero mistakes, and knows every customer's secret wish. The future? AI-driven funnels that turn a simple click into a lifelong relationship. Are marketers ready to let AI take the wheel? Or will you stay stuck in the past, losing customers while AI steals the show? What if your next competitor is already using this tech? It's time to ask, how much of your marketing funnel can AI automate before you become irrelevant?